Hello viewers, happy to help you on this channel. Today I will tell you about the setting of child lock on your AC remote. I switched on the AC. You can see that your AC remote is functioning now, means you can increase decrease your temperature by just pressing plus and minus button on this remote. But friends, I want to tell you that how you can protect this AC remote from your child. You just have to set a child lock by pressing both plus and minus button simultaneously. You can see that a lock sign is blinking on your AC remote screen. Yeah, it is set now. It means that you have set the child lock for your kids. If you press any button on the remote, it will not function. Just lock sign will blink on the screen, but no temperature will change, no other option will work. So your children cannot play with AC while child lock is on. Now to unlock this, you have to press these both buttons again simultaneously, and you can see that now your AC remote is functioning, means temperature is increasing and decreasing and other function can also work. Thanks for watching.